friends, finally I bought my new phone, that is Galaxy A51, and today I'm going to unbox karte hain. So as you can see, as it's here and now let's open. Dun, ta-da, yay! So this is its look. It's look like other Vivo phone. It's similar to Vivo. And let's see उसके साथ और क्या क्या मिला है. तो सबसे पहला that we are getting a headset. Now this headset is like a regular type. Again, it's okay, we are getting it at least, and it's of good quality. So next जो चीज़ है वो है obviously charger and USB code. So it's also of good quality. I'm zooming it. If you want you can buy it, it's good. उसके बाद ये सब पेपर वगैरह and all. So as you can see, I've set up the device and you can see it's a typical Samsung UI you are getting, and there are several apps here. The nice to see that we have a proper full version of Samsung Pay, and which was found in flagship device, so we can work with any credit or card machine, and that's unique and I'm glad. So moving into the camera, that's my favorite part. And camera का तो पूछो ही मत, it's just awesome. Everything has a square ray facing camera, 48 megapixel and 32 megapixel front camera very properly. You can see the camera settings. I'll zoom it. They are the modes which you are getting: night mode and slow motion mode and what not. सबसे मेन तो है वो है फिल्टर्स, और फिल्टर्स तो इसमें भर भर के है. द फिल्टर्स आर सो गुड कि आपको कोई इफेक्ट डालने का ज़रूरत ही नहीं है वीडियोस में. इसका ओरिजिनल कैमरा ही परफेक्ट है एकदम. So friend, if you want a mid-range phone, undoubtedly it's awesome. You can